In this tutorial, we will show you how to file your personal financial disclosure statement, commonly referred to as a PFD. Iowa law requires certain individuals to file a PFD. Those filing with the Ethics Board include statewide elected officials, agency leaders, members of boards, and more. Please note, if you are a candidate for or member of either the Iowa House of Representatives or the Iowa Senate, you will file your PFD with the Chief Clerk of the House or the Secretary of the Senate. To start the filing process, go to our website, ethics.iowa.gov. In the upper right-hand corner of the website, click on Web Reporting to be taken to our web reporting system. You do not need a login to file your PFD. To begin the filing, go to the Personal Financial Disclosure link on the right-hand column of the page and click on the link. Before we begin entering your information for your PFD, please note that the PFD is due no later than April 30th of each year. For 2023, your PFD will cover the calendar year 2022. Now, let's get started. To begin entering your information, you'll need to enter your name in the top search box. If your name does not appear, you'll need to contact our office at ethicsboard@iowa.gov. For the purposes of this example, we'll use our past director, Mike Marshall. For the filing year 2023, you'll select the previous year, 2022. The agency is the Ethics and Campaign Disclosure Board. Please note that from this point on, all information will be fictional for the purposes only of this tutorial. After adding information, you'll need to click Add before clicking Next. Assuming in this example we had outside employment, you'll need to enter the name of the business. For the purposes of this example, we'll use Dunder Mifflin, which is a paper company, with the position held being that of regional manager. And we'll add that information and click on to the next step. Now for sources of income, you're going to be asked for each different category whether or not that category has produced more than $1,000 in gross income for the covered year. You are not required to disclose the amount of income, just the type and the source. If you had no income in excess of $1,000 for a particular source, check the box and move on. So, as an example, let's say that Mike sold Apple stock worth $1,500. We'll add that and we'll move on to the next financial institution category. Let's say that stock was held in Vanguard. We'll note that and then we'll put the description that the income was from a sale of stock, and we'll add it. Now let's say we had no income from a trust. We'll check the box and move on. But we do own a rental property that generates well over $1,000 worth of income, and so we'll mark that here in the real estate category. And then we'll add that and move on to retirement. Now, you only need to list a retirement system if you are receiving income. Do not list retirement systems that do not generate any income. So for this example, we're still working full-time and not receiving anything from IPERS or Social Security or anything like that, so we'll move on. And if there are any other miscellaneous sources of income, put it in this category. For an example, let's say that as regional manager of Dunder Mifflin, we sold a good or service to any other political subdivision of the state for the year 2022. Let's say we sold the City of Grimes some nice Dunder Mifflin paper. We'll put that description in this box and we'll click Add yet again. And then we'll move on to the final stage, which is a review. Please ensure you review all the information carefully to ensure that you have submitted accurate and complete information for each category. Once you've reviewed the information, click Next, and you'll click a box to affirm that the information is accurate and complete, and you'll be taken back to the main page of the WRS where you'll see a notification in the upper right-hand corner saying that your report was successfully submitted. We hope you found this tutorial video helpful, but if you have any additional questions throughout the filing process, contact our office for assistance. You can reach us by calling 515-281-4028 or by emailing us at ethicsboard@iowa.gov. You can also visit our website, ethics.iowa.gov, for additional information. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.